These are my Cochins. These are bantams. These are very tiny. And I like to feed them by my hand because these guys, I always feel like I tear the bread too big. They're a little bit timid still, but these guys are all named. Even though they look kind of similar, I can tell them apart. Their colors are different enough. The rooster has completely disappeared. That's the dad of Rooster Cogburn. He's very timid. I got him eating out of my hand through a fence yesterday, but he won't come right up to me. Usually if I can just get one of them eating, then they kind of all dive in, and here he comes. That is Rupert in the back, and that is Rooster Cogburn's dad. The little blonde one next to the black one on the right, that's Cinderella, and that's his daughter. So at one point I had Cinderella, Red Riding Hood, and Goldilocks. Goldilocks ended up being Rooster Cogburn. Red Riding Hood I changed to Red Rider. He passed away. He was only a year old and he passed away, and I don't know why. This is why I'm filming them, because they don't seem to last very long. And I want to remember, because each one of them has their own personalities and I don't want to forget them. I always make remembrance tags whenever any of mine die. I have this huge keychain of all the tags for each of the chickens because I don't want to forget them. Each one of them has meant something different to me. And even though I guess a lot of people don't really understand owning chickens still, it's a lot like having any other kind of pet. I have 2 dogs and they have completely different personalities. Each one has their own personality, and I like them each for their own ways that they have. And I just don't ever want to forget. See, he's finally coming. He's just really timid. That's White Sox that's eating right now. I don't see Dora. Dora's pure white. And then the 2 black and white ones, one's Domino and one's Oreo. And then the one on the right that's kind of a silver black and white, I call her Silver Streak. And then that little one in front is Bambi. So I'm missing, oh, here comes Dora. Dora's coming. She's like, oh, there's treats. She has like awesome feet. She's got really, really booted feet. You almost can't see their feet. They're so covered with feathers. I just think they're so cute. They're tiny eggs, but they are just so cute that I enjoy having them.